Hello friends, today I am going to talk about Fab 4 weaknesses. Now my Fab 4 consists of Virat Kohli, Steve Smith, Joe Root and Ken Williams. Now, I'm not talking about the weaknesses, basically a strategy or plan to get them out during the power play, first 6 over or 10 overs depending upon the format. At first we have got Virat Kohli. Now you can see my power play field. Now here I'm going to keep a bowler as you can see in the first slip. Now this fielder, mark my word, this fielder is the most important part of my plan. It's basically a third man. I've kept third man up. Most bowlers push this fielder back at the third man. Now I don't find a point doing so because such Virat Kohli can easily play the ball it and take singles, and taking singles releases the pressure. Now I've kept this fielder up to stop the singles, and as singles stop, pressure is created on the batsman, and then he might go for a big shot and then possibly get out. Now I know this is a risky situation as he can get more force, but risk are worth taking. Now I'm going to at covers the fielder is up and I'm going to silly mid on. Now all is mid on, mid off, deep square leg and a third man. Now these two fielders is at cover is up and mid on is up, so that he covers and the ball is up in the air for some time. Catch can be taken, and similar for this silly mid on. Now this is the pitch map. Here you can see the orange one is an outswinger and the red one is an in-swinger. These are the areas to target. Now this, as we know, we have seen Virat Kohli struggling against outswing deliveries in test. We have seen him doing against England. He got out many times while facing the outswing delivers. Early on in the innings he has a tendency to edge the ball and he might get out to the first slip. Now after bowling 2-3 outswingers, you can even bowl him an in-swinger or fast coming, so that he flicks and the fielder at silly mid on gets a chance to catch. Now next we have got Steve Smith. Now this is the power play field. Now for him, again the third man is up. Most important part of my plan is, remember, don't allow them to take singles. Now point fielder is up. Now covers is back for him, mid on, mid off, mid on, and the deep square leg fielder is up. Now why I have done so? Because we have seen Steve Smith goes on the back and plays that cut on back foot. Now this fielder, the point fielder is up. He can get a chance to catch him. You might understand my plan better by seeing this. Now you might find it similar to that of Virat Kohli, but the difference lies here. For Virat Kohli, I had this area right down there so that he can try, but for him I got it up because we have seen he punches the ball back and there is a chance that the ball is up in the air and there is a chance of getting him caught. On the other delivery, after bowling 2-3 deliveries out, and we can have a sharp in delivery, maybe a slower ball would work, and then he flicks and there is a chance of getting him out. At number 3 I've got Kane Williamson. Now for this you might find this field quite awkward, but many batsmen find this many bowlers find this batsman awkward. Now point is up. Now this is the fielder at covers is up. Now it's not vertically up, he's just between up and the normal position of covers. Now you might understand my plan by seeing this. Now this is a traditional outswinger and this red ball. This is the most important. This is what the plan is. Now you can see this ball finishes on 8th stump, but it's quite up. Now this ball bouncer right onto his shoulder. Now because the batsman kind of batsman Kane Williamson, he punches the ball, and while playing bouncer I have seen him, he tries to push it too hard. Now that's where you can find he has slight weakness against the short ball if bowled within quite accuracy. Now the kind of field we have, you have got a security against short ball, so you can for sure bowl a bouncer. Now this ball, which is as you see, we have seen he goes on the back foot and then punches. Now there is a chance of getting out. We have seen in recent test season in Australia where Steve Smith took a blinder. He tends to get out on these deliveries because he punches the ball in the air for some time, and the kind of field we have, we can get him out. And the next is Joe Root. Now this is the field you can set for Joe Root during the power play. Now this field is basically similar to Virat Kohli, but the difference is for Virat Kohli the fielder which is up there at the covers comes into play. For him, silly mid on comes into the play. Now I will tell you why. But remember, third man is still up. Remember my plan. Don't allow them to take singles. Now the pitch map Now these are the areas to target. On this we have seen him, he tries to drive the ball in the kind of field we can get him out. Now this delivery, this is most important against him. He has a problem while facing an in-swinger delivery, we have seen. So after bowling 2-3 bout swingers, you can bowl an in-swinger. Now since we have the fielder, the third man is up, so he won't be able to take singles and rotate the strike, and that's where we can execute our plan pretty well. 2-3 out swingers and then a sharp in swinger, and then we have a chance to get him LBW or a leg before. And even if he plays a shot which if he missed times or edges, not the kind of field we have got silly mid on, we can get him out. Thank you, subscribe, like, share, and on which play do you want my next video, do comment. Thank you.